Getting started with SplashDash. Step 1. Log in. Go to app.splashdash.ai and log in with your account. Step 2. Explore report types. Once inside, browse all the different report types available. Each report automatically uses built-in data integrations. No setup or extra connections needed. Step 3. Choose a report. When you're ready, click a report type. For this example, we'll select AI Visibility. Step 4. Add client details. Enter the client's business name, website domain, and any other requested info. Use an active domain and the exact business name from their Google business profile for best accuracy. Step 5. Generate your report. Click Submit and let SplashDash build your report in seconds. Step 6. Review the report, analyze the data, view easy-to-read charts, tables, graphs, and client-ready AI analysis. When you're ready, turn on the share link from private to public to send a public link for anyone to open. Rerun or search past reports. Need an update? Just hit Rerun. Want to see an older report? Go to the Reports tab and search or filter by client or date. Prefer using dark mode? Navigate to your profile on the bottom left and toggle dark mode on. And that's it. SplashDash is ready to go. Get started by creating your first report today.